Hello there. I'm Marc, a senior security engineer. Today, I want to demystify how you can get into cybersecurity, focusing on the essential skills and pathways that can lead you to this dynamic field. Whether you're just starting out or thinking of switching careers, know that cybersecurity welcomes diverse backgrounds, including those without a deep technical or programming background. My own journey into this field was quite unique. Before cybersecurity, I've had various roles, from supporting internet services to installing email servers, and even park services and retail. These experiences honed my skills like time management, interpersonal communication, and adaptability. In cybersecurity, these soft skills are just as valuable as technical knowledge. One important thing to understand about cybersecurity is that not all aspects of it are deeply technical. There are many roles in this field that don't require extensive programming knowledge or vast technical background. Roles in policy development, user education, and risk assessment, for example, are crucial in the cybersecurity landscape and can be a perfect fit for those who may be intimidated by the technical side. Essential skills in cybersecurity vary widely, from technical acumen in areas like network security and threat analysis to strong problem-solving capabilities and creative thinking. As a new analyst, being able to communicate effectively, receive feedback, and think outside the box to solve complex problems is crucial. In my role, I focus on security awareness training. This role is less about deep technical work and more about educating and empowering people to be part of the security solution, highlighting how diverse the field of cybersecurity really is. A typical day for me involves reviewing our Security Information and Event Management, or SIEM, system, where my technical skills are put to use. But remember, the field of cybersecurity is vast and varied, with many roles requiring different skill sets. For those looking to enter the field, pathways into cybersecurity are numerous. Many start with educational programs like Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate, which provide foundational knowledge and practical skills. Others may find their way into cybersecurity through related fields, leveraging their vast existing skills and experiences. It's all about finding the right entry point that matches your skills and interests. Remember, nobody starts out knowing everything. Be patient with yourself and don't let anyone deter you from pursuing a career in cybersecurity. The journey might be challenging, but with the right resources and dedication, it's absolutely rewarding. And for those looking to deepen their knowledge in cybersecurity or other related topics, check out the link in the description of this video. It leads to a video titled, How to Get Coursera Courses for Free, LinkedIn Learning, Udemy, and more for free. This resource is perfect for anyone looking to advance their skills through high-quality learning, covering full courses on cybersecurity, all available for free. So whether you're taking your first steps or looking to advance further into the field of cybersecurity, remember that it's a journey of continuous learning and adapting. The skills you develop and the paths you choose will shape your unique career in this ever-evolving field.